Thank you to all of you for liking, subscribing our videos and making them popular on YouTube. Thanks again.
Just this week, a very nice HITAPP published in marketplace. EE entity existence deterministic task, and the rate is increased by $0.06 per hit. It means it is doubled, and it has a good amount of hits available. The main thing in this task, you are given a web page. Remember, we have a web page, a document extracted from the web page. It means a document is also available for the same web page which is extracted from the web page. A specific type of entity extracted from the document means in our query we have a specific type of entity which is extracted from the document. You need to determine whether this type of entity is correctly, means we have to determine the type of entity first, then after that the entity is correctly extracted from the document. It must be correctly. Choose from good, fair and bad. These three are the results. So let's go for the training first. Thereafter we will go for the qualification learning, and thereafter we will explain everything in our academy for the production work, what we should do and what we shouldn't do in our production. This is only for the academy members. Those are enrolled with us, for they will get the production support for their difficult queries. So here we can see this is the interface. Here this is the entity type. They already mentioned in their short guidelines. Entity type is address. This is the entity explanation. Explanations means what is entity all about. Okay, and this is the document which is extracted from this web page. You can see on the right side, this is the document extracted from the right side web page. So, and this is the entity. You can see this entity is extracted from this web page, and this detail also, this entity details is available on this document. As this document is already extracted from this web page. So our task is simple. First look this entity type, then check this entity explanation must be matched with this website, and thereafter come here and look for this entity. This entity must be available on the both side. If it is available with exact detail, go with a good option. If it is available with the partially extracted, means any mismatch which is not affect the entity or entity type, then go with the fair. And if it is entity is incorrectly extracted, go for the bad. So let's see what you have to do. Just come here and select this, copy this, and there is a command called find command. Use that find command, you will get this detail. So this is the first result we can see. Let's see where it is available on the web page. Let's move to the, yes, we can see here this mentioned here, trivia night, mega health. We can see this available here, and third result is also mentioned here. So first we have to verify this document, this website. So we can see moment donates home skip to content WooVR program. So this is a moment similar. So this document is related to the website, and entity type is address. We have to verify the address. So remember, this detail must be available on this, either on this or on the this side of right side of web page. If it is available on both with accuracy with same detail, go for good. If it is available on only one, maybe on document or maybe on the website with the same details, go with good. If minor change which is not affect this entity, go with fair. And if it is not matches or anything critical like city, like country, for country you can go with fair. For city or pin code or anything which is mismatch, go with the bad judgment. So let's see here. We can see that match this with the web page. So this is the trivia night Magellan Health. Okay, and come here, match this detail. We can see here 12365 Street, Charles Rock Road, Bridgeton, MO 63044. So this is exactly matching with the our details given in the extracted entity. You can like find this, so that exactly we can find out, yes, this is similar and exactly matching here also. So we must go with the good option. Yes, we are right. You should select good for this case. Let's move to the next queries. Here we can see the web page sometime will take loading time in iframe. So wait for that, or can open in a new tab. So here similar entity type is address, and the entity is given here, and the document which is extracted from this website is here. So I'm just clicking on the link so that we can see what this link has. So I'm opening this in a new tab. You can see the partial page header you unable to see due to the cropping of the window. So this is the website interface. So just copy the detail which I told you from here. Always copy keywords which you can find it easily. So yes, we got the details here. So just I'm drag down this. This is the web page here, so that we can easily compare with this. This is also Kyoto Rich Stable. We can see here, and this is the similar with the website URL. Now just what you have to do is, now you can see here 24505 verify S Crystal Lake Drive Claremore OK 74019. It is similar exact, and to know exact just select this all and come to the your web page where just you just find here. So you can see if any mistake is there. So we can find out that 24505 S dot Crystal Lake Drive. Again we are verifying Claremore OK 7. So this is totally similar. This is totally similar. So must go with the good. Yes, by this you should select good. Let's move to the next query. Again, this is the address type of entity, and the web page is opened in iframe on our right side. So just copy this entity and look for the where it is available on the web page or on document. So here we can see it is available in two places, one here and second on the web page. Look here, match here 834 Liberty Dry Suit P Libertyville IL 600 for it. Similar 100% matching. Go with the good option. Let's move to the next query. Again web page opened. So just same entity type is address. This is the document extracted from this web page. Just come here, copy this entity. Here we are copying whole. So sometime if it is unable to find out, so just copy only keywords which you can find out easily on the web page or here. So here on document it is also available. So look on the web page if it is available or not. Sometime it cannot be found by the found function. So we can see here this is available 1751 CR107 Houston, Texas 78634 and United States. So this is similar matching. Just they write here United States in the place of abbreviation USA. Let's look here again. We can see this is matching here with the same detail. So what we have to do, simple, just do submit with the good. As this is matching on this side as well on that. Let's OK, and let's move to the next query. Here again, this is entity type address, and just copy this. This is very simple, remember, but it has some trick. Some complexity is also available. That's why they put it $0.06 price for that. And we will share everything in our academic classes. This is the method. If you try at your home during your work, you can easily work on it. If you found any difficulty, please contact us so that we can make you more clear about the work. So just copy here again, same process, copy this entity from here, and thereafter find on the page, drag down the page on the query page so that we can easily compare the both. So here 211 ROUTE, 9 West Wilmington, VT 05363. So it is similar. Go with the good. Let's move to the next query. Again, same entity address. Again, do the same method. Repeat this all for your all queries. And do judgment as per the instruction given for the good, fair, and bad. Same again. Find here by the keyword. If anything missing or unable to find out, just remove some text and look for the details. So we find out here by removing some text and come here and compare this. 1000 Parkwood Circle, Suite 1000, Atlanta, GA 30339. So here the address finishes. This is similar. Telephone is not required. Go with the good and do submit. Let's move to the next. Again, entity type is address. Here this is the entity. You can see, just copy this entity and look this on the web page on your right side. You can see on the iframe and try to find out. So just we got this detail here, 1106W Brigantine Avenue, AVE, for Avenue AVE. Thereafter they mention Brigantine NJ 08203. So this is 100% matching. Go with the good and do submit. Let's move to the next query. Again, this is similar. You can see this is the similar query. Query is different, entity is changing, but the pattern and the scenario is similar. So just find out again by copy. We can find out here. Just drag down the window, come here, 48. You can just verify 4886 Highway 61. This matched. Suite 204. This one we are matching. Suite 204 White Bear Lake MN 55110. Again similar. Go with good and do submit. Let's move to again a new query here. So this is the method you have to do. If you found any abnormality, do your judgment as per that. So let's finish this first. Thereafter we will go for the qualification to learn more about this tab. Remember, learning is the key of success. Try to learn this. Don't go without learning. 2537 Middlefield Road, Redwood City, CA 94063. So this is good. Submit it. Let's move to next query. Again, it's good that iframe. Sometime remember, if you don't have the UHRS extension, then you are unable to see this page on this iframe. We just put it the link in the description so that you can download from here. It is a verified UHRS extension for the watching the pages on the iframe. So similar process. See, we just look here, and this address also available here. Just verify 601 reef code is it's matched. Mitley Beach also similar, SC29588. Here USA is missing. You can see here USA is missing. This is the country. I think country is required, so we must go with the fair and look for the detail that this is okay or not. Let's go with the fair. Yes, this is fair. If country missing, go with the fair. Let's go for the next query. Here we can see this is another query. See, this is query. This is, I think this may be the last query for the training. So just come here. This is the address. Again, copy this keyword from here. Open the web page, and you can see the details by opening the web page about this website. Just verified by the Control F Control V function. Look for the detail Okay, so we can see this details mentioned here. Sometime find function will not work. Let's zoom it so that you all can see. Okay, in 200% easily you can see and verify. So this is the 40011210112 Avenue NE Suite 130 Bellevue WA98004 USA also missing here. So we must go with the our fair option and do submit. So here we are wrong, we have to check why. You should select good for this case. Why? Because remember this is wrong. Us just we checked on the web page, we haven't checked here. If we check here we can find out this detail. Remember this detail, this entity if available on this document also, then it comes under also good as USA mentioned by this. That's why this is wrong, remember this. Okay, let's move to the next query. This is the next query. Here we can see this is the address. Go with this address, and while the page is loading, I am repeating the process flow. Just come here, look for the entity type, entity explanation. Document is extracted from this web page. Remember this is the all extraction of this web page. Thereafter this entity is given, we have to verify this entity and give our judgment in a good, fair and bad. For each everything is written here. So this is the website. We just copied our process. Step 1, just copy the entity keywords, click on the page and find out the details on the web page. Look on the bottom side, most of time you can see this detail on the bottom of the page. So this is the detail. So you can see they have mentioned 200 as they forget to mention this detail, avenue 4. So after that it is matching. They also forget USA the country name. So check here, you can check this details on your, come here and check here on your document also. So document also missing this detail. So just remove some keywords and try to find out which thing is available on the page. So I think this is not available. Change your keyword. By keyword changing you can get the result. So just I am finding. So this is the address, match this. So it's start from here, you can see it means it starts from 200 Florida 3301. If we go this side, okay, and as 200 it start from here. They mention, I think it comes under bed, as they forget to add this Museum Plaza Suite and 702. So let's go with the bed and let's see what the result is there. So they are saying it is good, you should select good for this case. So we have to verify why should we select. I think this is the building name. Always remove this building name. Building name is not, this is the Museum Plaza Suite. This is the building name. We can avoid that building name they mentioned in the guideline. Thereafter everything is matching, but here we can see the USA is unable to, is not available. So we must go with the fair, but maybe some issue with this RTA, as this they not mentioned in the guideline. Let's move to the next query. Here again we see entity type is address, and this just copy this detail, open your web page in a new tab and try to find out the detail first on web page. Thereafter go to the your extracted document for same detail. So we find out the detail here, just drag down the web page here and verify the details. 6476. This is the building name. They not, this is not required here. 6476 Santa Monica BLVD. So Los Angeles CA. So they forget Los Angeles. And so look here, this detail on this document also. It means entity extraction having some missing. We have to verify what is missing on the document. So on document we can see where the complex Ruby Theater 6476 option BLVD. So also they miss this word, and we have to check what is the meaning of that. Just click on this on Google and check what is this. So as we are from India, so it is showing like this. Just add here USA and look for the results so that you can find out the exact detail about this. This is a type of board avenue planted with rows of trees or part. Okay, so this is a full form boulevard. A boulevard is a type of broad avenue planted with rows of trees or in parts of North America. So we also check here. A boulevard is a type of board avenue. So this is a board avenue type. Come here, Los Angeles. They also forget to add this Los Angeles here. So I think it must come under bed. Let's see what they say. Yes, this is bad. Let's move to the next query. This is the entity type is address. Come here, similar process, copy this detail, and when you copy this detail, thereafter must visit the website, and thereafter first verify this detail on a website. If you find out the detail, just come on the query page and verify, match with this the entity. 671 Lark Drive, #3229 Wrightwood, CA 92397. This is matching. Everything is matching here. Must go with the good. Let's move to the next. So by this you have to do this. Good luck for your qualification. And TETRA Academy students, we will make a video for your academy so that you can qualify for that. And this is the method you have to do it. And for production support, we will share some 50 to 100 questions for there. So thank you for watching and good luck for the qualification, and thanks for your time. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, एंड वी विल मीट इन अ नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.